Hey, what's up, guys? So a lot of you have been asking to get another Pictory 50% off coupon. Well, I was finally able to do that for you guys for the 4th of July. So all you have to do is go down to the description or pin to the top comment, click on that link. Then once you go to the link, you can sign up, do the free trial, try that out if you want, and then after that, you'll go to upgrade up here, and then you'll change to yearly, because the 50% off only works on the yearly plan. Then you'll pick either standard or premium. We'll just say we picked standard. You can read through these, decide which one you want. Click on standard, and then you'll type in buy 50, okay? Just like that, buy 50. Then that's going to take 50% off of your order just for the 4th of July. And now this will be a yearly membership. And so next year, you'll still be locked in at the same 114 price. So if it's something you're wanting to do, you're going to want to do that for sure, so that you can, keep that going every year. If you divide this by 12, you're paying less than $10 a month for this amazing software. So really, really awesome deal that they don't do very often. So definitely take advantage of it. That will be good until the end of July 4th. This out really quickly because I know a lot of you guys like this software. According to what I think, this is better than Vidnami. So I like this software better than Vidnami. So if you go ahead, click this, and then this is a basically I paraphrased this script. Basically I paraphrased this script from a Brainy Dose video. Okay, so let me put this in real quick. Copy and paste it. Brainy. Okay, proceed. And really quickly, I'm just going to make this video right in front of you guys so you can see how fast this is. Now, again, you guys can do a free trial. So go click the link down below, sign up, and you can have a free trial. Okay, you can play around with it for an hour or so. Once you decide, this is something you want, then right now you can get 50% off until midnight tonight for Valentine's Day, okay? So now I'm going to go ahead and go into audio, and I can go ahead and drag in a voiceover, okay? So let me do that really quickly. Let me go to my uploads, drag over this Brainy Dose voiceover, and just to show you how quick it is. Okay, there it is. So now I'm going to click auto sync over entire video. So what it did is it just pulled in a bunch of clips based on the script. Okay, so it's putting in clips based on that script using story blocks clips. Okay, so story blocks, which means it's completely free to use Creative Commons footage.
It's very difficult to know how.
And basically, I just used an AI software just as a quick example, so I didn't have to do a voiceover, obviously. And so now I'm going to go ahead and click Audio Settings here. I'm going to pull this down to 0 because we don't want any background music. And now I'm just going to show you what it did. So it just made us a completely unique video in a couple of minutes.
It's very difficult to know how someone actually feels. This can be exasperated in romantic endeavors, especially with men. Does he really care about you? Or does he have ulterior motives? It's understandable to not want to commit to a relationship with someone who doesn't want one with you. If you're struggling with this problem, maybe our list will help you find the solution.
So as you can see, it pulled in a lot of really good clips, okay? This one maybe didn't make that much sense. So all we got to do is click on it, and we can pick something else. So we can pick this, okay? So there you go, and it just matched it automatically. Now what's so great about this is normally if you want to make a video like this, you're gonna have to download like 50 clips or more, put them all in an editor, and then you're gonna have to put in the voiceover. Then you're gonna have to take all the clips and match up all the voices with all the clips until the timings are perfect. That is so much work, right? And then if you wanted to put all this text on it too, you'd have to type all that text manually and then again time it up with the clips and the voice. Make sure that the sentences match the voice. This does that all in a minute, okay? And so I like this better than Vidnami, to be honest. Now, if you go ahead and click styles, there's all these different styles you can do. You can also add in transitions, so you can fade in between scenes, things like that. You could change the formats. You can export this in 1080p if you have the premium version. So that's why I recommend the premium version, okay? Other than that, there's tons of different background musics you can use as well. There is over 15,000 tracks that you can use. On top of that, there's different textures that you can pull in as well, if you wanted to do something like that. You can also do, and there's so many different things here. So if you type like basketball, obviously there's tons of royalty-free clips that you can use for basketball, okay, through Storyblocks. Once again, we can do literally mountains. So anything you need is here, guys. I mean, you can make literally almost unlimited different kind of cash cow videos, okay? Hawaii. Let's see if anything pops up for Hawaii. Look at all these clips that come up for Hawaii, okay? Let's do Alaska. Okay, cool. Montana. So in here, they have all these different clips. So if you're making a travel one, for instance, you could use something like this, right? So all of these are options for you. So that's some of the cool things that it does. Audio, like I said, music, as well as add voiceover. So you can do, I believe they have AI voice too in here. I'm not 100% sure on that. Add voiceover, record. So and another thing that you can do is record your voiceover. As you can see right here, you can record your voiceover. Right here through the software if you wanted to do that. Some people like to do that. So that's an option as well. And you can do panning. You can hide text. You can do the background music or take it off. You can change the scene durations up here. So many different things that you can do with this software. When you're done, you just click generate, okay? So basically, if you would like to get this for 50% off, I know a lot of you guys either use Pictory or really like Pictory, or you wanted Pictory after you watched that last video I did. Well, if you haven't bought it yet, you can now get it for 50% off. So once again, I'm paying $60 a month basically for this, and you're going to be able to get it for much less than that because with the buy 9 to 5 coupon, you'll be able to get 50% off. So $234 for the annual premium plan, guys. So once again, just to show you, $234, divide that by 2, or by 12, and that is $19 a month that you're paying. And that's just for the premium. You can also do the 50% off for the standard. So once again, all you have to do if you're interested in getting this is click the link down below in the description before midnight tonight for Valentine's Day. And when you go to the checkout, okay, this is the important part. When you go to the checkout, the coupon code, you want to type BYE50, okay, buy 50. And I'll type that in the description as well. That's what's going to take 50% off, okay? So hopefully this helps you guys out. I just wanted to get this out for you really quickly because I know a lot of you planned on buying it already. Might as well get it for 50% off. So that's only on the annual plans. I'm out. Thanks a lot for watching. Peace.